Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the text masking in CapCut PC. So if you want to take your video editing to the next level, text tool masking is one of the coolest way. So you can use this to create cinematic intros and also transitions. And here I'm going to show you how you can hide text behind object using this one, or you can also create a see-through text by using the masking tool. You can start by adding your clips to the CapCut PC timeline, and then you can just head into masking in here, click on add mask, and here you'll see the text option. Just choose text, and here you can change the default text with your own. For example, I'm going to just go with good night, and as you see in here, you can also change the font and also the size, the font size. I think I'm going to just go with big bold font. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, this one's right here. Then you can adjust the size using the slider, and here you can also see that you can adjust the character spacing, also the line spacing, alignment, and also you can add keyframes to make the masking move. But this is how it will look like by default. So you can, if you want to have intros or transition, I suggest you to use the keyframes in here on the mask settings and adjust the position and also the size of the masking. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below.